Of class 10, we go to exercise 6.4. This is your advanced exercise 6.4. Question number 6. Here it is, the question is, find the value of R if NPR is equal to 3024 and NCR is equal to 126. You have to find the value of R. Now you see NPR, that is 3024. That means n factorial by n minus r factorial is equal to 3024. Now we take it this as equation 1. The second, NCR is equal to 126 n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is equal to 126. We take it as equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. In order to find R, what we have to do in order to find R? Now we divide 2 by 1. We divide equation 2 by 1. So it will be written like this: n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial divided by your n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now here this value is 126 and this value is 3024. Now what will happen here? N factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial divided by n factorial, which will be equal to 126 divided by 3024. Here n minus r factorial cancels out, n factorial cancels out. Now 1 by r factorial, this is equal to 126 by 3024. I think so this 3024 is divisible by 126 because 3024 divided by 126 results comes out to be 24. 1 by r factorial is equal to 1 by 24. Now here again I can write this 1 by r factorial is equal to 1 by 24. This can be written as r factorial is equal to 24. Now what is the value of r? In order to find the value of r, what I will do the prime factorization of 24. I will do the prime factorization of 24. That is 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Now I will write it in ascending order. In ascending order, that means I want to say r factorial, that is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. That means r into r minus 1 into r minus 2, your factorial, that will be equal to 4 into 3 into this 2. You can write this 2 as 2 factorial. Now when you equate it, that means that r is equal to 4. That is r minus 1 is equal to 3. From here we find that this r is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. That means the value of r is 4. This is your answer. So we have made two equations here. From NPR is equal to 304. From this I have made this equation, and from this I have made this equation. I have divided 2 by 1, or you can divide 1 by 2. I have taken 2 by 1. It's up to you. You can also take 1 by 2. If you take 1 by 2, it will be r factorial is equal to 24. Since I have taken 2 by 1, therefore 1 by r factorial is equal to 1 by 24. And 1 by r factorial, that is equal to 1 by 24. I will write it in ascending order. And this now we will write in this way. Now we can, because these are equal, we can equating, this is called equating. We can equate, that means r is equal to 4, r minus 1 is equal to 3, r minus 2 factorial is equal to 2 factorial. We can equate it like this. So from this we get that r value of r is 4. Now I think so it is from 15 students, how many ways 4 can be selected? From 15 students, how many ways 4 can be selected? That means there are 15 students, means it might be in a school or in a class. It is better that in a class. In a class, there are 15 students. And from these 15 students, I have to select 4, only 4. Now, this only I have to select 4 students. So, how many ways I can select these 4 students from the 15 students? That is, in how many ways I can select these 4 students from the 15 students, or we can say that is how many arrangements I can make of 4 students. How many arrangements I can make a group of 4 students? How many different arrangement how many different arrangements of a group of 4 students I can make? In order to solve this problem, I have to take the help of combination, formula of combination, that is NCR. Here n is equal to 4 or 15, not 4, that is 15, and r is equal to 4. The total number of students given to you is 15, and the number of students that you require at a time is 4. Now you place the value, that is 15 CR, that is equal to 15 factorial by, r, this means 4 factorial, 15 C4, that is 15 factorial by 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 factorial, that is 15 factorial by 4 factorial into 15 minus 4, it comes out to, this is 4, this 15 minus 4, it comes out to be 11 factorial. Now 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 11 factorial. This cancels out. 4 3s are 12. Now 3 cancels out. Now 2 7s are it is 14. Now the remaining numbers are 15 into 7 into 13. Now this results comes out to be 15 into 15 into 7 into 13. The results comes out to be 1365. 15 C4. The result comes out. It is okay. 1365. This is your answer. Now I am going to the second question. That is question number 8. Now in question number 8. From a student, from 50 students, how many ways a group of 3 representatives can be selected? From 50, how many ways a group of 3 representatives can be selected if a particular student is always taken? Here, a particular student is always taken. A particular student is always taken. Always taken. Always taken or always, or they say included. A particular student is always included. That means a particular student is always included. That means while selecting a group of 3 representatives, when you are selecting a group, when you are selecting a group of 3 representatives, a particular student, that means a particular student will always be, you have to include that student in every group. What means you are selecting a group of 3 representatives. In these 3 representatives, the particular boy must be present here. Since the particular boy must be present here, that means you have to select only 2 students. That means you have to select only 2 students, because that particular student will always remain there. Therefore, you have only 2 places. That means you have only you have to select only 2 students. And similarly, this out of this total it is n is equal to 50 is given to you. Out of this total, since that particular boy, that particular student will be always present, therefore we will remove that student from the total number of students, because he will always remain. So we will remove that particular student. Now your n will become equal to 49. Your n will become to 49, and you require only students. You require only two representatives, only two students, because that particular student will be always present. So you require only two students. Therefore, only two students you are going to select from the 49 students. Therefore, by the help of combination, it becomes 49C2, and which is 49 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 49 minus 2, it comes out to be 47 factorial. Now 49 into 48 into 47 factorial by 2 factorial into 47 factorial, that is this cancels out, and here it is 2 factorial means 2, you can cancel it. It becomes 49 into 24, and the result comes out to be 49 into 24, 49 into 24, it comes out to be 1176. This is your answer. Now there is another one part. There is a second part of this question. In the second part, it is saying that a specific student is never included. Means here in the second part, a specific student is never included. A specific student is never included. That means that particular student is already removed from the total student. This student is already removed from the total student. Therefore, the number of total students left with us will be 49. And from these 49 students, we have to select 3 students. From this 49, we have to select 3 students, because that particular student is never included. That means he is removed from the total number of students, and the total number of students left with us will be 49, and the number of students taken at a time will be 3. So according to the combination, by using the formula of combination, 49C3, which comes out to be 49 factorial by 3 factorial, 49 minus 3, that is equal to 49 minus 3, 1 minute, 49 minus 3, this comes out to be 46, that is 46 factorial. So 49 into 48 into 47 into 46 factorial by 3 in 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 46 factorial. This cancels out. Your 2, this is 24, and 3, this is 8. So your result is 49 into 8 into 47. Your results comes out to be 18424. This is your answer.